Good morning, dear children. Let's start the class. As we were doing pattern chapter, right? So it is finished. Today we will start with the new chapter numbers. Before starting with the new chapter numbers, we will just give a quick recap of the previous chapter patterns. So what we studied in patterns? Pattern in shapes, pattern in numbers, and the patterns which we see in our surrounding. Isn't it? And have you understood how to complete the patterns? To complete the patterns, children, you have to observe it. Isn't it? Which basic shape is repeating? Got my point? So practice at home. So let's start with the new chapter numbers. So let's start the class with the new chapter numbers. So what is the objective of the class? Today we will study the concept of zero and the sequence of numbers up to 99. How to write the numbers up to 99. Okay, let's start. Take out page 26 of your book. Counting by ones. So children, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These numbers from 1 to 9 are called what? Are one digit numbers, and they are also called single digit numbers. Okay? The numbers from 1 to 9, children, are what? Single digit numbers. Then color the picture given. Use the colors as given for the numbers. All the single digit numbers are given here in this picture. What picture is this, children? This is the picture of an umbrella. So you can see all are the single digit number, right? So you are going to put colors here in these numbers. So you are going to color the numbers which are given below. Number 1, which color is given, children? Green color. So you are going to apply green color in all the ones. And same applies with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay? With all the numbers, you have to use their specific colors which are given here. Okay? So you color this umbrella. Clear? Let's move to next. And can you also see the spelling of 1, children? As you already know, what is the spelling of 1? O-N-E. Right? Spelling of 2? T-W-O. Spelling of 3? T-H-R-E-E. Spelling of 4? F-O-U-R. Spelling of 5? F-I-V-E. Spelling of 6? X-I-X. Spelling of 7? S-E-V-E-N. Spelling of 8? E-I-G-H-T. Spelling of 9? N-I-N-E. Okay? You just go through it once. Next, take out page 27 of your book. In this page, children, we will study about the zeros. Okay? The concept of zero. So children, what can you see here? What picture can you see here? You can see the pond and ducks, right? In first picture, children, you can see here how many ducks are there in a pond. There are 5 ducks in a pond, right? But in next picture, children, how many ducks are there? There are only 4 ducks, right? Why? Because one flew away. In next picture, children, how many ducks are there in a pond? Only 3. Why? Because 2 ducks flew away. Right? Next. How many ducks remain here? 2 ducks. Why, children? Again 3 ducks flew away. In our next picture, how many ducks remain here? Only 1 duck. Why? Because 4 ducks flew away. Isn't it? Next. In the last one, children, all the ducks flew away. So, is there any duck left in the pond? Is there any duck in the pond? No. So, what we say? There are 0 ducks in the pond. And how do we write 0? Like a round circle, right? So, there are 0 ducks in the pond. When there are no objects, it is written as 0. When it is written 0, children, when there is no object, then we write 0. Clear? Now let's start with your numbers up to 99. So children, you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These all are written in which place, children? Up to 9, it is written under ones place, right? So these are all single digit numbers. But after 9, children, what comes? 10, right? So this is what? This is 2 digit numbers. Why? Because in tens place, what number is there, children? 1. Understood? After 9, what we write? 0. And after 0, what comes? 1. Is it clear? So from here, from 10, 2 digit numbers starts. Next you see, children, after, how will we continue after 10? In which sequence will we write? After 0, in ones place, what comes? After 0, what comes, children? 1. So we write 1 in ones place. And 1 as the tens place remains same up to 9. The tens place, that is 1, remains same. Okay? And last, after 9. Now this 9 is really a trouble, children. After 9, what will come? After 9 will come 0. Okay? And 1 turns to the next number 2. Now this is called 20. Then after 20, children, we'll start with 21. 2 will remain in tens place and the ones place will keep changing. Okay? After 0, what comes? 1. After 1, what comes? 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you see, children? The numbers in ones place are changed and the number in tens place remain same. Now again, after 9, what will come, children? 0. And after 2, what will come? The next number, that is 3. Understood? This is how we will write up to 99. Clear? Is the concept clear, children? The number from 1 to 9 are all single digit numbers. Okay? And the double digit number starts from 10 and ends at 99. Clear? Next. Oh, sorry. Example 1, take out page number 28. You can see here, count the number of animals, write the numbers in the boxes. One is done for you. So here are all animals and you have to count the animals and write the numbers in the box below the numbers. Clear? So first is what? Lion, right? How many lions are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many lions? 4. You write here 4. Next, children, how many animals are here? 3. 1, 2, 3. Count the animals and write in the box. Write here 3. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many animals? 5. So you write in the box 5. Take out your pencil and write, children, 5. Next, last, what you can see? How many animals can you see? 2. So you write in the box 2. Okay? So is it clear, children? In our next class, we will start with our place value and face value. So children, today we have studied the concept of 0 and the numbers up to 99, in which sequence we have to write. How to write the numbers up to 99. Thank you so much.